Hi everyone, in this video we're going to talk about the best way to do reliability-centered maintenance. When it comes to reliability-centered maintenance, there is definitely a recipe for a successful RCM analysis. Now, in the recipe, there are two main ingredients. The first ingredient is first-hand knowledge of the equipment and the operating environment. And the second ingredient is a strong understanding of reliability-centered maintenance principles and how to apply them. Now, there are three different ways that we can do reliability-centered maintenance. So let's take a look at each one so we can determine the best way. The first way is outsourcing. So a lot of times organizations will give their technical publications, their drawings, and their data and other technical information to an outside contractor. And they will have that contractor do their RCM analysis for them. Now let's take a look at our ingredients. When it comes to outsourcing, they probably have someone on staff that understands RCM and knows how to apply the principles. But if you're outsourcing to someone who doesn't work within your organization and doesn't know your equipment, then they don't have that first-hand knowledge and experience. So outsourcing is definitely not the best way to do reliability-centered maintenance. Let's take a look at the second way, and that is the single analyst approach to reliability-centered maintenance. Most often, when RCM is done this way, there will be an employee of the organization who does have a strong understanding of reliability-centered maintenance and how to apply the principles, but they don't incorporate a facilitated working group approach. In other words, they don't directly involve the equipment experts in the process. So while they may conduct interviews or have discussions with, say, an operator and a maintainer, for example, there isn't that cohesive team environment. So I give this first one an X. But the third way to do reliability-centered maintenance is by doing a facilitated working group approach. So in this approach, you have an RCM facilitator. Now, the facilitator has a strong understanding and knows how to apply reliability-centered maintenance principles. The RCM facilitator makes sure that the RCM questions are being asked correctly, that the RCM working group members understand the questions, and that they're applying RCM principles correctly. See, the other piece of the recipe here is that the equipment experts do have first-hand knowledge of the equipment and the operating environment. Our equipment experts are very often in the best position to answer the RCM questions because they understand what we need from our equipment, what specifically causes it to fail, what happens when it fails, and how each failure matters. So there you have it. The best way to do reliability-centered maintenance is with a facilitated working group approach. You can see that this approach incorporates both of the two main ingredients of an RCM analysis. I'm Nancy Regan. Thank you for watching.